Hi guys, it's Hacker from Customs, and today I'll be showing you how to do a stage 1 polish. We have a F-150 truck right here, and I already did a stage 2 on it. That's regarding taking out the deep scratches. First thing first, we gotta clean this panel, make sure there's no dust particle so that it doesn't mess up our scratches while we polish it. You wanna take a look at this panel, see the swirls?
It's hard to see it from here, but there's quite a bit of swirls. Oh yeah, we can see the bottom part of it.
So after that, after the cleaning, 4 dots for the polish and applying it on the panel. Power 1. Make sure you apply to the whole surface. And then going to the power 6. So that's like one pass on the panel, and after doing that, you just gotta wipe and you'll have the results after this. Make sure you leave no compound on the panel, because if you leave it for a long time, it's just gonna be staying, like giving a patch on the panel. So you should never leave a compound unwiped. You gotta take a look, and that's what our result is for the stage 1 polish.
That's pretty nice.
And make sure you always tape these parts, the plastic dips, because if your pad or polisher touches them, it's gonna tear them apart, and polish leaves a permanent mark on them, so you should always cover them. Yeah.
Okay, and is there a specific polish we use?
Yeah, it's alpha ceramic alumina, so that's for the finishing. That's a finishing polish. We always do that after doing a stage 2, and we do stage 2 with a cutting compound. I'll show that in some other video explaining the stage 2 polish, cut polish.
Okay.
So that's how we do the stage 1 polish, and make sure you guys like, share and subscribe, and don't forget the comments.